The bay leaf is an aromatic herb commonly used in various cuisines around the world, including Indian, Filipino, European, and Caribbean, for its distinctive flavor and fragrance. They are typically used in soups, stews, meat, seafood, and vegetable dishes. In the Philippines, dried bay leaves are used in several Filipino dishes such as menudo, beef pares, and adobo. The leaves should be removed from the cooked food before eating as they can be harsh in the digestive tract. Bay leaves are also commonly used in tea, either just as a bay leaf tea or as an add-in with other types of tea to spice up with its aroma. You can simply boil 5 to 8 dried bay leaves in 2 cups of water for 5 minutes. Stir them well before you can consume them in a cup either hot or warm. Another simple recipe could be boiling a cup of water with 3 dried bay leaves and a piece of cinnamon stick for 5 minutes and sip them hot. Bay leaves come from various plants. The most common source is the bay laurel, an aromatic evergreen tree native to the Mediterranean region. Other types include California bay laurel, West Indian bay laurel, Mexican bay laurel, Indonesian bay leaf or daun salam, and Indian bay leaf, also called Cinnamomum tamala or tezpata. The leaves contain essential oils such as eucalyptol, terpenes, and methyleugenol, which contribute to their taste and aroma. Bay leaves are a great source of antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which works wonders for the gastrointestinal system. Besides, the leaf works as an antioxidant, antidiabetic, diuretic, and appetite stimulant. In January 2009, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition revealed that bay leaves improve glucose and lipid profile with type 2 diabetes. Therefore, bay leaf tea is highly effective in treating type 2 diabetes and improves insulin sensitivity. Bay leaves are known to improve digestion by stimulating the gastrointestinal tract and promoting urination. It is also very effective to prevent constipation. Bay leaf tea is good for heart. This is because of its powerful combination of potassium, antioxidants, and iron. These nutrients help with cardiac rhythm as well as lowering blood pressure. Bay leaf tea is a good source of vitamin C. It is also great for the immune system and has antibacterial properties, which keep infection at bay. Bay leaves also include the goodness of cinnamon that boosts metabolism and help in weight loss. These magical leaves can also lower your stress levels. Because of its medicinal properties, bay leaf tea is also used by some to treat cancer. Its anti-inflammatory properties protect your body from inflammation. In some traditions, bay leaf tea is consumed as a remedy to get rid of cough. You may add some honey to make the drink sweet and more tasty. I hope I have presented some important information about the health benefits of consuming bay leaves in this video. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and relatives. Please subscribe my channel if you wish to get more similar video in this channel. Hope to see you again soon. Till then, have a good day and enjoy the health benefits of bay leaves. Goodbye.